We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT birthday message that will impress your friends and family. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start a new conversation. At the bottom of the screen, there's a text box where you can type your request to create a birthday message. You need to be specific in your prompt. Type something like, write a heartfelt birthday message for my sister who loves traveling and cooking. This helps the AI understand the tone and content you're aiming for. Then hit enter. The AI will generate a message for you within seconds. You can read through it and see if it captures the essence you're looking for. If you want to refine the message, you can give additional instructions like make it more humorous or add a personal touch by mentioning our trip to Italy last year. This way you can tweak the message until it's perfect. Once you're satisfied, you can simply copy the text and paste it into an email, a card, or wherever you plan to share it. It's a great way to create something custom and thoughtful without spending hours brainstorming. Remember, you can always ask ChatGPT to regenerate a response if the first one isn't quite right. Play around with the wording and tone until you get exactly what you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.